we are at a Shongweni landfill site where we have organized a 5-day workshop for the professional engineers, whereby the EThekwini Municipality, through the grant from National Treasury, we are supporting a group of about 30 GIS graduates to become professional engineers. So a workshop has been scheduled for 5 days. So 3 days at Moses Mabhida, where we invited three mentors from Umgeni Water, where they were addressing and assisting the learners to on their way to become professional engineers. So today and tomorrow we are on site, whereby they're also meeting the mentors on site to understand what exactly is happening on site. The purpose of this is that so that they understand what is required from them in order to become the professional engineers.